It says in Vishnu's Tika, on a plea of, one gopi put her arm around Krishna when they were dancing, and on a plea of telling him a secret, she said, Shyam, she's dancing, I want to tell you a secret. So then she approached his ear to tell his secret, and then she kissed his cheek. Then Krishna said, you know. So they play. It's a play. Krishna wants to tell you secrets, so then he went like this. They're dancing, so he went, yeah, okay, like this. Put his ear while they're dancing. So then she went like she's going to tell, but the gopi said, I want to tell you a secret. Okay, tell me. I'm going to tell you about this gopi, or whatever, some rumor, who knows, whatever they tell. So Krishna puts his ear, and she goes, yes. And they're dancing, there's all going on, they're dancing. I mean, they can do many things at one time. I mean, you can talk on the phone, cook the rice, and watch the baby, and look out the window. You do everything at once. You're only the housewife. With the speak of Krishna, he's playing flute, and he's dancing, and he's sending all kinds of signals. I'll meet you at 10 o'clock. I'll meet you at 11 o'clock. I'll meet you at 12 o'clock. He's going one go. Everything is going on. SMS, flute playing, dancing, everything. So this is wow. So Krishna. Every part of Krishna is so sweet. So then translator said, because it's hard for the lovers to meet, this is the highest type of love, Paramarati. But actually the phrase, according to this translator, which is more apropos and correct to the Sanskrit, Paramarati means that because it's so difficult and there's so much opposition and it's against Dharma, it's a dharmic, it's irreligious, it's immoral, you shouldn't do it, you go to hell. If you break your sati brata, you go to hell for 10,000 million lifetimes. And become a worm and a pig and a village pig for 10 lifetimes and a village worm for 14 lifetimes and a village owl for 5 lifetimes and they have all these breakdowns in Garuda Purana. When you violate the Shastra, Dharma Vivrud, and you break the codes of Dharma and act irreligiously, there's incredible hells you go to, and then when you get out of hell, you orbit and rotate through various animal species in the village that you lived in. Whatever village you lived in and performed your atrocities or dharmic activities, then you take birth in that village. 16 times as a village pig, Radhakund pig, 5 births as a Radhakund monkey, 3 births as a Radhakund dog. It's crazy, amazing stuff. Unabridged Garuda Govinda, if you're interested, go for an interesting tour, a karmic tour. Save your time. Take it from me, just chant Hare Krishna. Be a good devotee and chant Hare Krishna. So this is... This Paramarati means it produces the most intense amorous joy for the lovers. And so Krishna, because you get the greatest gain, it requires the greatest risk. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. So the gain of gaining the love of Radharani and Radharani gaining Krishna's love is worth the risk. It's a great risk. You get caught by the elders, you go to, next life you go to hell, and so many things are there. In Nara Lila. So risk and gain, they go hand in hand. So Krishna consciousness is based on the formula of gain. But it requires a lot of risk also. You have to throw away everything. Krishna says, Krishna is putting everybody in a very dangerous and perilous situation. He demands that and commands that, and nothing short of that will bring us success. Sarva Dharman Pritaja. Sarva Dharman. He's putting us in peril. Krishna is putting us in peril, P-E-R-I-L, not apparel. It'd be nice if he puts us in new apparel, that means new dress. But he's putting us in peril, in disaster, in danger. He's saying, throw away everything. Family, dharma, ashram, everything. Just become my bhakta, that's all. Just love me, serve me, think of me, worship me, offer obeisances to me. Manmana bhavamad bhakta. But first you have to throw away everything to do that perfectly and purely and properly and absolutely and forever. We're not throwing away. No, this is nice, I can't throw it away. We can't even throw away the extra plastic bags in our kitchen. What to speak? Throw away the kam, krodh, and lobh in our hearts. We like them very much, we keep them forever. If we keep a plastic bag for 99 years, how many lifetimes have we been holding on to our kam, krodh, lobh? Many. So start letting go, at least, of your plastic bags. Those old Levi's with 5 holes in them, you haven't worn in 3 years, but they're still in your closet. Those old track shoes you bought 5 years ago that you say, oh no, maybe I'll use them sometime. And every week you get 10 kilos fatter and never go on the track. And the shoes just sit there with an idle hope that someday I'll start running. They're 10,000 rupee Pumas. Donate them, give them away. No, I'm attached, they're mine. Niskinchan, akinchan. If I walk out of here right now, I'm not going to look back. There's nothing. I'll take Giraj with me, my mala, Govinda Lilamrita, Chalega. Bas. Don't look back. Let go and don't look back. This is a brief way to say Sarva Dharman Prityaja Mamekam Sharanam Vraja.